Well, we're so happy to see you, Miss Karen. How are you today?
Good. Sobra. Di lang good. Kinakabahan ako.
Okay, you said earlier that you have been doing this for just 1 year only.
Wala pang 1 year eh. I was doing the business for House of Friends together with the fashion industry for almost 3 months. 3 months pa lang. I also have a background with designing. Pero hindi siya designing as in fashion. I do have a background in designing design construction company. So,
Wow.
doon talagang pinaka-designing. Then after that, yun na, I underwent FIP before. So, may mga background naman tayo with regards to how to make the proper fashion making. So, yun siya.
Okay. And what prompted you to, maybe add something about your prowess or talents in this industry?
Additional
Additional skills, kasi di ba, this is something new to you, right?
Yeah. Actually, hindi naman siya more on the skills. It's more on the advocacy. It's promoting the LGBT community together with the plus size community. If you can see the runway, we have House of Curves. House of Curves focus on the plus size community, which the sizes varies from 5XL up to 8XL. So, yun talaga yung naging mold ko or purpose ko why I put up House of Curves and then do the design as well. So, yun.
Okay, well, it's really a great advocacy, Miss Karen, because you mentioned about the plus size. Di ba normally, nagkaroon ng parang bullying, di ba? So, did it come to your mind before na maging advocacy siya or parang later na lang siya biglang nangyari?
Later na lang siya biglang nangyari. Me as a mom,
Yeah.
went through different discrimination because of the weight.
Yeah.
I may not look big right now, but I was big before. I was 2 to 3XL before. And then sabi ko, why you are being discriminating yung mga ganitong plus size? Magaganda, may
Yes.
talent, may skill. So, because of their weight, parang nababaliwala yung mga ganon. So sabi ko, bakit hindi ko i-push na ako yung mag-start to do the advocacy for plus size? I was once plus size model from a different designer. Tapos sabi ko, we can do more kung ako yung mag-handle. So yun siya.
It's very inspiring to know this kind of thing because, right now, a lot of people are experiencing some mental health problem also when it comes to their looks, right? Ano pa ba yung gusto mong gawin later on aside nitong advocacy? Paano ba yung awareness nito? How are you reaching them? Paano ba yung I don't know, we don't know which platform or I think yung pag mo dito sa runway, no, isa rin sa mga platforms yan, right?
Yes. Actually, for the advocacy itself, I want to spread it not just through social media, but also doing the platform, being part of the runway.
Yes,
Na
yes.
all plus size and LGBT community can slay the runway. We can do better, not totally the better or the best, but we can do the best or better on ourselves. Na ito yung pinopromote namin. Like for example, we have people who are on the cooking or on the R&D industry. Kaya nila eh. So we're supporting them. We have those people who can do different things pa. Like for example, for the IT, for the marketing. So doon pala nakikita mo na kaagad yung talent ng plus size. The thing is that hindi yan talaga na-acknowledge more. So para sa akin, ito na yung pinaka-start to those people na nahihirapan, nabababaan ng confidence who are in a plus size community or LGBT community. Please look for House of Curves. Yun lang talaga. We're going to enhance and boost your confidence, even your ego. Diba? And yun. And to prevent the bullying part. So,
Okay. And you also have your son. Hi. Can you stay here? Okay. Wow, you look so handsome. What is your name?
Aaron.
Aaron. Okay. Aaron, bakit ka andito ngayon? Are you supporting your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Ano yung pakiramdam na you are together working in this project? Kasi yung mag-fashion show kayo later.
Okay lang. Excited ka ba? Kinakabahan ka ba? Kinakabahan naman ako. Konti.
Okay. And sino yung pumili ng design mo?
Si Ma'am.
Yung mom mo. Wow.
So, mamaya po yung runway namin are created and designed by me. Ako po ang nagtahin, ako po ang nag-design, nag-sketch from start. So, the colors vary from one character to another. Hindi siya dahil ito yung team ko, ito na lahat. So, as you can see, or on the, ang shadings natin, medyo nude, see-through. Kasi doon pa rin pinapakita yung vivid yung boldness ng mga attitudes and characters for plus size.
And yet it's very wholesome. So how do you
Medyo
maintain that?
wholesome sa
Yeah.
team. Kasi dalawa lang ako yung team ko eh.
Yes,
So
yes.
for the other naman, medyo, ewan ko naman.
Bolder.
It's all for you guys to judge.
Is it so difficult for you to, although we haven't seen yet your collections, we'll find it later on, but is it difficult for you to balance the equilibrium of the designs na kailangan parang wholesome at the same time and medyo parang bold at the same time?
Hindi po siya naging difficult. It's actually one of the challenges na meron kami na talagang masasabi ko, I'm proud na yun yung ginawa ko. It's not difficult to balance the design together with the equilibrium ng itsura nila,
Yes, yes.
ng weight nila. Kasi pag nakita niyo yung mga models dito, ang gaganda, ang gaganda. So, though most of the guys that we have are part of the Mr. Bear and also part of the LGBT community. Mukha lang silang straight, pero mga bisexual
Really?
sila. Yes.
Okay.
So, dun pa lang parang kayang-kaya nila i-slate, kayang-kaya nila dalhin yung damit, okay na.
Oh, I have one more question before Sir Arlo. Okay. I believe you have already reached the utopia of success. I mean, you are on the brink already with the successful industry that you have right now. But what's in store for Miss Karen? Ano pa ba yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay? Because you're doing the advocacy pa, di ba? Parang I know you're very happy, it's very inspiring. I can feel that you are very sincere on doing this kind of thing. Ano pa ba yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay?
Actually, at my age, I'm already 36 years old. I'm already 36 years old. Parang na-attain ko naman na. What I want is continuity. Continuity in business, continuity in whatever advocacy that I have, and continuity in meeting new people, getting more ideas, giving more inspiration to everyone. Hindi po madali yung pinagdaanan namin to start with, especially doing the House of Curves. Hindi din madali yung sinimulan ko doing the other business, and now we're more than 10 years, 15 years in the industry, and some of the industries that we have. So sobrang thankful.
Miss Karen, follow-up question. I feel that you're very humble in doing this kind of thing. Di ba kasi yung iba pag nasa mga ganitong business or industry, di ba parang medyo mayabang, but ikaw parang naramdaman namin na you're very humble, you're very sincere in doing this. Ano ba yung nag-i-inspire talaga sa'yo?
I cannot say may nag-i-inspire aside from the family.
Or just being yourself?
I'm just being me.
Okay.
Kaya nga, palagi ko sinasabi, I'm my father's daughter. My dad molded me as a humble person, sobrang down to earth. Whatever that I can do, whatever that I achieve, still be blessed, still be humble. So yun lang talaga. You will never see me get mad, you will never see me get loud. Talagang kalma lahat, chill lang. Kasi the more you effort on your emotions, especially anger, hindi talaga magiging yung pagiging boastful, hindi din magiging
Precisely, I just wanna add this also, one more thing. Pwede pala maging humble, pwede pala maging confident at the same time, calm ka lang dapat, hindi pala kailangan maging loud, tama ba?
Yes.
Okay. Thank
Never
you.
kang magiging loud. Always bring up the confidence. Kahit nasa smallest corner ka ng room. Because everyone will see it. You will totally shine once you have the confidence to do so. Especially if your attitude is good. The character and attitude joins hand in hand. Walang pakialam kung maganda ka, pangit ka, mataba ka, mapunta ka. As long as you can bring up yourself, you can manage yourself well with a good attitude and character. Magpapaw mo lang.
Thank you for setting aside all the bigotry and stereotypes. Okay, Sir Arlo.
Okay, I first saw you sa Glitter Awards. In fact, some of the videos I uploaded already on YouTube.
Wow.
And hindi ba concern yung extra size sa materials? Siyempre
Yeah.
mas mahal.
Yes.
Actually, mas minamahalan ko po ang mga materials natin for plus size. Not because they are on the plus size in the plus size means kailangan tipirin mo, kailangan iba yung quality. It should be better than the quality of the regular size. Why? That's the time that they can wear luxury items. That's the time that they can wear luxury clothes, tela, lahat. So, wala po sa akin ang costing. As long as the model can slay it, as long as the model can, bring up the dress into life na gusto kong ganun dalhin, wala po akong problema doon. Now, if you're going to ask me, paano naman po yung magiging income natin soon if you're going to use those kind of materials? I will still be fair enough just to provide the specific costing and then the amount, just in case I'm going to sell it. Kasi ako naman po, I'm open to make to order, I'm open to, whatever criticism, whatever orders, or whatever, kung ano gusto nila, ma'am, kaya ba natin ang ganito? Sige, gawin natin ang paraan. But I see to it na magiging komportable. Number one, ang magsusuot. It's not just about the amount, it's about the magiging komportable sila sa lahat ng bagay.
Wow.
Okay. Oh, one last.
Okay, one more.
So,
Ito pala,
Oo, yan, oh.
Mapapansin niyo po,
Yes.
silk satin po to.
I'll hold later.
si Aaron, no?
No?
Ah,
Yan. Sorry.
yes. So, since you came up with this, na-encourage na yung ibang tao na plus size to be more confident.
Yes.
So, how's the
Actually,
client
it's not just
too?
the plus size,
Uh-huh.
even the petite ones.
Uh-huh.
Sabi nila, may ganyan pala, so hindi kami mag-worry na kung tumaba kami, some community or a community will still love us.
Okay, one more thing. Last na lang to, Miss Karen. What about yung yung sa buntis, di ba? Kasi nga tumataba din sila minsan. So, is it part also of your advocacy to
Yes.
motivate them?
Yes. Most of the women that I have here, models namin may PCOS. I also, experienced PCOS. Until now, I have PCOS. That's one of the reasons kung bakit nag-type din ako nito. Is for us to love ourselves as well. Tapos, hindi lang naman PCOS maraming health illnesses na nagkukos ng pagtaba. So, we encourage them to be healthy. And then, at the same time, sinasama namin sila sa community. Huwag kayo mahiya if you have this. Huwag kayo mahiya kung meron ganito, may ganyan. The community is open, House of Curves is open for everyone. So yun, it's not just about fashion show, modeling, it's also about health. Kasi one of the companies that I have, which is Illuminate Wellness, is partnering with House of Curves with regards to PCOS, with regards to any health concerns na kayang gamutin or kayang i-assist.
And also mental health, right?
Especially mental health. Kasi pag yan ang bumagsak, lahat bagsak na, not just emotionally. Mentally kasi maraming battles ngayon na nagsasabi okay lang yan.
Yeah.
Mataba ka okay lang pero nakataas ng pilay sa'yo. Katulad nung sa ibang runway. Sino sila? Bakit may matataba? Ano ba yan? O kaya pagsakay ng jeep, bakit may taba-taba? Bayaran mo ba? So kami, we're not embracing yung mga ganun na bagay for you to build out. We would just want you to feel confident enough para lumabas sa mundo and say, I'm still the same person as you've known me before. Nagbago man yung weight ko, nagbago man itsura ko. Everything's still the same. So parang ganun yung gusto kong i-apply sa lahat.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Miss Karen.
Picture
Hindi ko nahabaan.
together. Okay.